Hey everybody, this video we have a large format IC core. I've got control key, you know, it comes out and everything. Put it back in, and we got our operating keys. And I'm going to try to pick and decode it with the Schlage SC4 Lishi. It's actually it's the 6-pin version of it here. And I messed around with this lock a little bit here. I actually had a hard time getting it picked. I can't seem to get it to pick clockwise, so I'm going to be picking it counterclockwise. For our purposes, it doesn't matter. Even in the field, it wouldn't matter because you could just decode it and cut a key. Okay, so we got to click on 1, click on 2, 3 springy, so leave it alone. 4 springy, leave it alone. Okay, 5 is binding. Click on 5, 6 is binding. Okay, click on 6. Okay, 1's binding. Click on 1, 2 springy, 3 binding. Okay, and okay, everything feels picked. There's just, I'm not sure what's hanging it up. So I'm just going to go through and lightly push on everything. Kind of jiggle them. There it goes. So 3 wasn't quite set, so now it's picked. And then I decode it. Let me just spin it around here so we get it back in frame. All right. Alright, hope everybody can see here. So to decode it, got 2, 6, that looks like a 2, 6, 5, 6, 4, and 2. And then with that information, you could, cut a control key, and you could pull the cylinder out and rekey it or whatever. If you just need operating keys, you can do that. The bidding is actually stamped on the key too, so you see that it was able to decode it accurately. And this is one of the biggest reasons I actually wanted the 4-pin version, or the SC4 version of this. You know, for the times you run into these kind of cylinders on a job, make it easier. You know, you don't have to take them out of the door or anything. You just need to rekey them. You can just cut a control key without having to do any bumping, picking, raking, etc. So anyway, that's basically the large format IC core picked with the Lishi SC4. And I guess that's all I got on this one, guys. Probably the last Lishi video for a while. As always, any questions or comments, leave them in the comments, and we'll talk to everybody later.